Can you get a beautiful luxury new construction home in Harvest, the mega master plan community on the north side of town? I'm about to answer that question right now, so don't go anywhere. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you can be made aware the next time we put a new video up on the channel. Hi, this is Elizabeth Oliva. This is the Fort Worth Home Tours, and we get calls and texts from people just like you every single day looking to make a move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So whether you're moving sooner or later, go ahead and connect with us. The details are below in the description. We would love to show you how to make a smooth move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So today we are in the retreat area of Harvest, the mega master plan community up on the north side. This is great if you're working at the financial corridor, if you are going to the airport, if you're working in Westlake, Southlake, Denton. So it's on the north side of Fort Worth. It's a great, great area. And we're in the retreat, which is the area that they are still building in. And this builder is building a beautiful luxury home here in the retreat. And I cannot wait to show it to you and show you all the beautiful finishes that they have for starting at under $500,000. Can you believe it? So let's go check it out. Okay, so as we come in the front door, you're gonna see a beautiful staircase. Wow, soaring ceilings. Isn't that beautiful? Come through the entryway. And we have our beautiful luxury kitchen. Look at these cabinets all the way to the top. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that fume hood. KitchenAid appliances, wow. I think that's what they are. Am I right? We've got our pantry right here. This right here would be that's your garage. Yeah, that's the garage. And so we have a powder room right off the garage and your laundry right here with some beautiful cabinets. Really nice. And what is this? Oh, your breaker box. That's what that is. And another one, look at that. You got your first spare bedroom here. Oh, and this cute. Very, very cute. Let's check out the closets. Always like to do that. Decent, decent. Okay, moving back into the kitchen. Got a beautiful stovetop gas. And check out that backsplash. It's really pretty. This is a gorgeous fume hood. Wow. Really, really nice. Very, very nice. Very nice sink here. Lots of light. Lots of light coming in. And then opening up into your living and dining. So one big flowing space here. One big flowing space. Tall ceilings. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. And then your upstairs overlooks this area. Isn't that nice? Let's check out the patio. How much room you would have on a lot like this. You have a nice little garden backyard. You could easily do turf back here. Make it really hassle-free, for sure. And now let's go upstairs. I'm gonna check that out last. That is the primary. So let's check out the upstairs. I'm whispering because the salesperson is in a meeting. And look at that cool thing up there above your door. Isn't that nice? Put some accessories up there. Really pretty. That would be your garage right there. And then up here, let's check it out. How do y'all like the railing? I think the railing is really pretty. And you got this landing area, kind of your TV area right here. And we got a spare bedroom and we got a closet right here. Spare bedroom with enough room to put like a little desk. It's nice. Really nice closet. Closets are important, y'all. You may not think about that till you move in. And then this one, oh, okay. So systems and so forth. And this overlooks downstairs. So you get this nice open area up here and down there. Makes you feel like it's so much bigger. And they have this one set up as an office, but another bedroom. Also a very big closet, I can tell. And you got your shared bath here, shared full bath. Very, very nice. I like it. What do you think? Okay, and one more area. One more. This carpet is really nice too, y'all. Got the primary, save it for last. Check it out. I love these tall ceilings. Last but not least, our primary. Very nice. Got two super tall doors all over, which makes you feel, you know, it elevates the luxury. Super shower. You could probably do a tub, maybe. I'm not sure if you have enough room. And your double vanity. And you got this area, instead of doing a linen closet, they have shelves. So do you like it? Would you rather have a closet here? Some people would, so they can close everything off and make everything neat and tidy, but some people would rather have that. And then here is your closet. Primary closet. Shopping is my middle name. Is that your middle name? What does it say there? I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. There is no such thing as too many pairs of shoes. Haha. Y'all feel that way? All right. There you go. What do you think? Definitely elevated finishes, elevated architecture. This is beautiful. What do you think though? Could you see yourself living here? Let me know. And remember, I have my own special incentives, so contact me first before you start searching, because I'd hate for you to miss out. Well, thanks for coming with me and checking out that beautiful home that it can be built for under $500,000 to start with the luxury finishes. Did you just love that? I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. And on a really compact lot. Actually, you can do a lot when you do it right. So if you like that, go ahead and like the video and click the subscribe button if you have not done already. Go ahead and do that. And click the bell for notifications so you can be made aware the next time we put a new video up on the channel. So this is Elizabeth Oliva. This is the Fort Worth Home Tours. And if I can help you, details are below of how to get in contact with me. And I can show you how to make a smooth move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and especially this community. So thanks so much for watching. And until next time, and when you come into town, hope to show you around.